Today I want to talk about our TPU material in collaboration with HP from the multi-jet fusion printer end and BASF from the material side for TPU powders for the multi-jet fusion process. I think two great brands, two great companies merged together, both with innovative technologies on hand, and created a real new ecosystem to support the industry with a very innovative material. So a nice application for the TPU material, especially for automotive, is for example tubes and pipes. The material has a high flexibility on one hand. On the other hand, it has a high accuracy that you can really stick parts easily together. You can do bigger parts in the sense that you connect it. And we have found out a good way to operate with different wall thicknesses that makes it very reasonably usable for any kind of pressurized applications in regards of liquids or gas. Another part to showcase is this frisbee. When you print out the parts in TPU with HP's multi-jet fusion system, it has that grayish look and feel and a bit of powder. The people really want to have a nice looking part with a nice surface. So therefore, BASF worked out some nice way to chemically etch the material and later on color it in different colors to make it nice looking for any kind of application that is visible. To finish a little bit up the TPU topic, I want to show you here a very interesting part that we are developing for the automotive industry. It's a headrest. The interesting thing here is it's built out of a lattice structure for shock absorption, which a headrest has to provide. The technical background here is there are different simulations possible for different levels of shock absorption, and therefore you can construct different lattices with thicker walls, with thinner walls, with wider gaps or shorter gaps. To make it look nice, we have combined a little bit what I showed before in the other parts. We did a chemical etching here of the cover, which looks then very smooth and very nice and is the visible part of the construction at the end. So it was quite a nice example to show the advantages of TPU technology together developed with HP from the hardware side, and very soon you can really get that available in the market this year.
BASF. We create chemistry.